are going to learn about phonics junction. Okay, what is phonics? Phonics means a study of a sound is called as phonics. Okay, let us move on to the topic. The letter IE is pronounced in a two different way. See, the letter I and E, it is pronounced in two different way. What are they? Like I sound and another one is E sound. All of you repeat. The letter IE is pronounced in two different way. They are I sound and next one is E sound. For I sound, tide. T-I-E-D. Tide. All of you repeat the word tide. What's the sound pronounced from here? The sound is I sound. I sound is there, no? So tide. Then for E, the example is field. All of you repeat the word field. E sound is there. So all of you repeat the word. In the tide, I sound is there. Say tide. The next one, the field. Repeat the word field. E sound is there. Okay. Now let us see about what are the words that are pronounced like I and what are the letters that are pronounced like E. We are going to see what are the words that are pronounced like I sound and what are the words that are pronounced like E sound. Okay. First one is I sound, pie. So all of you repeat the word pie. I sound is there. Then next, die. Here, what sound is there? I sound is there. Then next, tie. Here, I sound is there. Next one, lie. Here, I sound is there. So all of you repeat, pie, die, tie and lie. Here what are the sounds you pronounce? The sound produced are I sound. Here I sound is there. Then next we can move on to the words that are pronounced like E sound. Chief. All of you repeat the word chief. Here what sound is there? E sound is there. The next one, brief. All of you repeat the word brief. Here E sound is there. The next one, believe. So all of you repeat the word believe. Here what sound is there? E sound is there. Believe. The next one, grieve. So here E sound is there. So what are the words that are pronounced like E? They are chief, brief, believe and grief. So pie means it's a type of food. Pie means it's one type of food. And the meaning of brief is short. So the meaning of grief is sorrow. So once again I am going to repeat the word. The words that are pronounced like I are pie, die, tie and lie. All of you repeat these words. Pie, die, tie and lie. Okay, next what are the words that are pronounced like E? They are chief, brief, believe and grief. Repeat again. Chief, brief, believe, grief. Have you all understand this? Okay, now let us move on to the exercise. Okay students, now this is an exercise. Now read, circle the words if IE is pronounced like the letter I and underline them if IE is pronounced like the letter. So here they are saying for if the letter it pronounces I means you have to circle them, and if the word they are pronounced like E sound means you have to underline them. For I sound you have to circle them and E sound you have to underline them. Okay. Now read this. I won't lie. I have a slice of pie. So now read it. I won't lie. Here what sound is here? Here I sound is here. So you have to circle them. Lie. Then next, I had a slice of pie. Here I had a slice. I sound is there. So I have to circle them. Of a pie. Here what sound is there? I sound is there. So all of you repeat the word lie, slice, pie. The next one, if you don't water the plants, they will die. Here, die. I sound is there. So all of you repeat the word die. I sound is there. Then third one is the chief or a red tie. The chief. Here what sound is there? E sound is there. So for E you have to underline them. So chief. All of you repeat the word chief. Or a red tie. Here what sound is there? I sound is there. Tie. So I have to circle them. So all of you repeat. For E sound chief. And for I sound tie. Then fourth one, the police caught the thief before he could run away. So here thief. What sound is there? E sound is there. Thief. So I have to underline them. Then next, he gave a brief speech before the dance performance began. Here brief. Here what sound is there? E sound is there. Have you all understand how to pronounce the word IE? Okay. I will give you the assignment. So you have to write the words that are pronounced like I and E. Assignment. So you have to write the words that are pronounced like I and E. Words that are pronounced like I and you have to write the list of words. Thank you for watching.